Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about emotions. I am feeling happy. I am feeling sad. I am excited. I'm not excited. We'll be talking about different emotions and also contrasting or opposite emotions. This video is part of my 3,000 most common English word series designed to help you understand up to 95% of spoken English. If you want to get the PDF of all the words, it's in the description. Are you nervous? So those are 5 different sentence structures, some common mistakes people make when talking about emotion. And that means chicken. I am sad today. Have a shadowing conversation. I'm really excited. Relaxed and worried. It makes me feel excited. Let's get started. So right here, I have this bun, this bao bun, I believe. Me and Leon each bought one, and I am excited to try this. I'm excited to try this. Hopefully, it's not disappointing. I'm not exactly sure what is inside of it because I don't speak Indonesian, and the person selling this did not speak English. All I said was ayam, and that means chicken.
Oh my gosh, how do you know that?
This is the bun. I'm actually excited to try this because I haven't eaten anything all day, and it's already 1 p.m.
Oh, that does look good. Is it sweet?
I'm happy. I am happy that it tastes good. I was a little worried about how it would taste, but this tastes really good, so I'm happy.
How do you feel about having no bev though?
Actually, I do have a little bit of water left, so I don't feel too bad. How do you feel having nothing to drink?
Makes me feel a little bit sad.
Overall, not bad. I am really excited and really happy because this is our first day in Indonesia. We'll also be using a lot of emotion and talking about emotions today. So you will learn how to talk about emotions after this video. 3,000. That is the amount of words you need to understand up to 95% of spoken English. But if you want to keep improving after that, I've now added the next 2,000 most common English words. So you can build the full 5,000 word set and understand up to 98% of spoken English. So now you can start with the 3,000 word PDF, continue with the next 2,000 word PDF, or get both together as the full 5,000 most common English words PDF that will allow you to understand up to 98% of spoken English. And in these new versions, there are now images as well to help you learn even faster. Each PDF includes clear definitions, real examples, and simple organization to help you stop studying random words and focus on the vocabulary that actually matters. You can get them from the link in the description or at volkaenglish.com. Okay, now we are walking up this very big driveway to a monument here. I'm not sure if you can see that monument in the distance, but it is one of the most famous monuments here in Jakarta, Indonesia, and we are gonna go look at it right now. But let's describe a little bit on the way there and talk about emotions. So, can you guys tell me what the opposite of happy is? So, I'm happy to be in Jakarta. What would be the opposite of that?
Sad.
Correct, sad. I am sad today. I'm sad this happened. So the opposite of happy is sad. Those are probably 2 of the most common emotions you will ever hear and use. Let's talk a little bit around us now. Look at this path. This path is very old and it's very uneven. You can easily trip and it is missing pieces of stone. I don't think you could push a wheelchair on here. I think it will be very difficult. People in wheelchairs probably get sad when they have to come on here because it's so bumpy and it probably hurts. Do you agree?
I agree. Maybe they get a little disappointed as well.
Yeah, they probably get disappointed too and maybe frustrated. They're like, why is this path not smooth for people in wheelchairs? If they really wanted to though, they could go on the road. I don't think the road is really used by any vehicles. It looks like a very quiet road overall. But most families here seem happy. I see one family and another over there. I think they're just enjoying the beautiful weather and having fun with their family out here. Now I'm going to teach you some of the most common emotions in pairs. For example, happy and sad. That way it's easier to remember them because one is usually the opposite of another. The first pair, we already talked about it earlier. It is happy. I'm happy. I'm so happy. And sad. I'm sad. Happy and sad. The second is calm. I'm calm. And stressed. Oh, I'm stressed. I'm stressed out. I feel so stressed. Stressed. How good is that acting?
That was good acting.
Rate it 1 to 10. Is that believable? For these next ones, I want you guys to guess the emotion. You don't need to guess it in English, but just think about what the emotion probably is. Oh man, I cannot wait to go do that. I'm looking forward to it. Excited. I'm excited. Now, the opposite. Oh man. I don't really want to go. Nah, I'm okay. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Nervous. Nervous. Excited and nervous. Yeah, I did that. That was me and I did it. Proud. I'm proud. Oh man, I wish I didn't do that. Oh no. No. Embarrassed. Proud and embarrassed. These next ones, we're just gonna rapid fire through them. So lock in. Relaxed and worried. Relaxed, worried. Surprised and confused. Angry and frustrated. Grateful, disappointed. So those are 8 common pairs. 8 common pairs. These are 5 different sentence structures to talk about emotions. The first is I'm plus the emotion. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm excited. The second way is I feel plus emotion. I feel sad. I feel stressed. The third, I'm feeling plus the emotion. I'm feeling tired today. I'm feeling very stressed today. The fourth is I feel emotion because. I feel happy because I'm with my friends. I feel happy because I passed my test. And the final way is it makes me feel emotion. Listening to music makes me feel happy. It makes me feel sad. It makes me feel excited. So those are 5 different sentence structures that you can use to talk about your emotions. Try out some of them and put it in the comments. Now, when we speak in English, we don't always say just I'm sad, I'm happy like this. We usually add intensity words to say if we're feeling very sad or not very sad. So here are some intensity words you can use. A little. I'm a little tired. I'm a little sad. That just means not very much. I'm a little sad today. Compared to I'm very sad today. I'm very sad today. I'm so sad. Another one is kind of. I'm kind of tired. I'm kind of excited. It's just not really a lot. I'm kind of. Another one is pretty. I'm pretty excited to go. I'm pretty sad. I'm pretty happy. It's a little bit higher up than saying a bit. And even higher than that is I'm really excited. I'm really happy. That's a stronger emotion. That just shows a stronger emotion and intensity. Really. And finally, very. I am very sad. I am very sad. I am very happy. I am very excited. I am very stressed. It just means like a lot. I'm very.
What about extremely?
That's even higher. I'm extremely sad. I'm extremely sad. I'm extremely tired. Even higher. Good one. Now I have some questions to ask you guys. I want you to try to answer these questions with everything you've learned so far, okay? First question, how are you? How are you? Just a normal question. This is a very common question in English. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Perfect. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling hot right now.
Are you okay?
Yes, I think I'm okay.
Why are you so happy?
Because I'm traveling.
Because you're in Indonesia. Hey, yo, let me know if you're in Indonesia. Shout out to everyone in Indonesia and from Indonesia. What's wrong?
I'm sweating too much.
Are you nervous?
Not really.
When do you get nervous?
When I'm almost late for my flight at the airport.
Very good one. Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you feel stressed right now?
Right now, no.
What is your favorite emotion?
Happy.
Don't just watch this lesson and forget it. Get the workbook for this video on my website and practice everything from the lesson more deeply. Inside, you'll review the grammar, vocabulary, tenses, sentence patterns, comprehension questions, and real English from this video with clear explanations and exercises. Watching helps you understand, but practicing helps you remember. And when you buy 5 or more workbooks, you automatically get 30% off at checkout. The link is in the description or at volkaenglish.com. Okay, now let's go over some common mistakes people make when talking about emotions. The first one, I am feel happy. I am feel happy. This is incorrect. Incorrect. The correct way to say this is I feel happy or I am happy. Either one. The second one, I have nervous. I have nervous. The correct way to say it is I'm nervous or I am nervous. Third mistake, I'm very stressed. I'm very stressed. That's incorrect. The correct way to say that is I'm very stressed. Stressed, not stress. Stressed. The fourth mistake is I am exciting. I am exciting. The correct version is I am excited. Excited, not exciting. The final most common mistake is he feel sad. He feels sad. That sounds like a caveman speaking. It's he feels sad. He feels sad. Now we are going to have a shadowing conversation. I will read the blue, you read the yellow caption below. Are you ready? Hey, how are you feeling today? Yeah, you look a little tired. Did you sleep late? That makes sense. I'm kind of tired too, but I'm also really happy today. Because the weather is beautiful and this kind of morning makes me feel relaxed. Same. Yesterday I felt so stressed though. Because I had too many things to do and I just felt overwhelmed. Exactly. But right now I feel much calmer. That's a great feeling. Now let's move on to the second dialogue, talking before something important. Let's get into it. You look serious. How are you feeling? Why are you nervous? Yeah, that's normal. Big moments can make you feel excited and worried at the same time. That can definitely make you feel stressed. So what helps you feel better? That's good. Do you feel hopeful too? That's a good combination. You should feel proud. That's a strong mindset. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that shadowing dialogue. If you liked it and you want more, let me know in the comments and I will include them in all my videos going into the future. Yo, what are you working on?
Yo, I'm working on my channel right now. I just started. I'm going to be posting once a week if you guys want to check it out.
I'll be posting my shadowing stories on my second channel, Volka. And I've also started posting these videos as podcasts. Do you understand English but feel nervous when you speak? Join my Patreon for my speaking, pronunciation, and shadowing course with over 90 video lessons. You'll practice pronunciation, accent, rhythm, and natural speaking with step-by-step video lessons, plus new lessons every week. Get it in the description. Don't forget to get my 3,000 most common English words PDF in the description. Bye guys.